Hello coders, welcome to Tech Chemistry. In today's session, we will be adding HTML boilerplate to our index.html file. If you want to see the entire HTML structure in your index page, that is, you would like to see the head tag, the body tag, etc., you need not type it. You can simply put the HTML boilerplate. Now, if you do not have HTML boilerplate, click on extensions and type HTML boilerplate. You will get an option called HTML boilerplate over here. I have installed it. If you have not installed, you'll be getting the install button. You need to install it. And once you install it, all you have to do is just type HTML over here and you will get a list of options, and the one of the options is going to be HTML5 boilerplate. Click on the option and you can see you're automatically getting the structure. You're getting the document type as HTML, you're getting the HTML tag, the head tag, the meta tags, the link tag, the title tag. If you would like to give a title to your web page, you can do so. Your body tag. There is also the script tag, which will enable you to add scripts such as JavaScript, etc. So I'm going to paste my code which I had typed in the previous session, and I'm going to save it. Okay, and since I've just made a minor change in my HTML file, I need not close my server and run it again. I can just refresh my page. So this was the previous HTML file which did not have the structure. We had just written h1 and the message. But now I am going to reload the page which is going to have all the structure. And you can see this is the page. And if you want to see, you can see the page source also. And as you can see, the structure, everything which you have loaded is the one which is being rendered right now. Now in the next session, we are going to see how we are going to create an admin for this particular project. We will also create a table and we will add some records to the table.